Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 8, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 8, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, March 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 8, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, March 8, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 8, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.